Good day everyone. Today, I'm gonna explain to you the Marpol Annex 5 and Annex 6. First is Marpol Annex 5. Prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. Garbage from ships can be just as deadly to marine life as oil or chemicals. The greatest dangers comes from plastics which can float for years. Fish and marine mammals can in some cases mistake plastics for food, and they can also become trapped in plastics ropes, nets, bags, and other items. Even such innocuous items as the plastic rings used to hold cans, beers, drinks together. What is Marpol Annex 6 all about? Marpol Annex 6, first adopted in 1997, limits the main air pollutants contained in the ship exhaust gas, including the sulfur oxide and nitrous oxide, and prohibits the deliberate emissions of ozone-depleting substances. What is the most important features of Annex 5? Annex 5, Prevention of Pollution by Garbage from Ships, deals with the different types of garbage and specifies the distances from land and the manner in which they may be disposed of. The most important feature of the Annex 5 is the complete ban imposed on disposal to the sea of all forms of plastics. The last is the Marpol Annex 6. Marpol was developed through the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, a United Nations agency that deals with the maritime safety and security, as well as the prevention of marine pollution from ships. Marpol is the main international agreement covering all types of pollution from ships. Air pollution from ships is specifically addressed in Annex 6 of the Marpol Treaty, and Annex 6 includes the requirements applicable to the manufacture, certification, and the operation of the vessels and engines, as well as fuel quality used in the vessels in the water of the United States. What is Marpol Annex 6 all about? Marpol Annex 6, first adopted in 1997, limits the main air pollutants contained in the ship's exhaust gas, including sulfur oxide and nitrous oxides, and in ships exhaust gas including sulfur oxide and nitrous oxide, and the prohibits deliberate emissions of ozone-depleting substances (ODS). What are the Marpol Annex 6 regulations? Marpol Annex 6 sets limits on nitrous oxides and sulfur oxides emission from ships' exhaust, and prohibited deliberate emission of ozone-depleting substances from ships of 400 gross tonnage and above engaged in voyage to ports of offshore terminals under the jurisdiction of states that have ratified Annex 6. That's all guys. Thank you for listening. Bye!